Good morning, people. Been interesting ones. I've been looking for some answers. I've been cut in a square after renovations, and it was quite soft. And my concern was the weight that I'm putting on the square as I walk, because it's not the weight that's the issue, it's the size of the contact patch. The classic example is you're in a pub and a lady wearing high heel shoes stands on your foot. Now that lady might weigh 7 stone, which is nothing compared to me. But the pressure puts through such a small contact patch, well, it's going to hurt, and it will make a hole in your foot. Okay, that's about weird, but this is the way my brain works, or doesn't sometimes. So let's transfer that to a mower. So if I walk over that, and obviously as you're walking it's heel toe, so I'm getting the back of my shoe or my boot digging into the ground, and then the small rotary, which I would normally use, has in itself, it's got a little roller at the back, but it has got a much narrower set of wheels at the front. So you've got some contact patches there which are quite small, and they'll make footmarks. So I've cut this using a ride-on rotary, in this case a Cub Cadet. Did make sure the blade was sharp, and my thinking is this: the contact patch is wide and flexible, not a lot of pressure, enough pressure in the tyres but not too much. So I've started here, so I've gone straight down that left hand side there and come back up that, and then just got wider and wider, so that side of the square's all been cut in that'll be that direction, and that side, so that's gone away. You can see what it looks like tyre tracks. They're not tyre tracks. That is quite simply where the wheels have just pushed the grass down a little bit, but a nice big wide contact patch. By cutting it as I have done, the ejection, when it blows out the side, has always gone the same way. So if I've gone down this here, it's blowing that way. So as I've started down the middle, it's pushed everything off the edge. I know it's not boxing the stuff off, but I'm not really taking anything off at the moment. It's the finest of trims. So I can't recall the maths, but I know that the allegory about the lady with the high heel shoes, somebody says it's about equivalent to a quarter ton of weight concentrated in such a small area. There might be somebody watching this that's clever enough to do the maths on that, but I'm thinking the mower I generally use probably weighs about 60 to 70 kilos, and then you've got me walking behind it and I'm sort of 15 stone. I'm wondering, I honestly think that I'm going to put less impact per square inch or square metre or however you want to pronounce it, by using the ride-on than I am by using other equipment with narrower wheels, narrower contact patches. I can say it's done a decent job. It's cut it at a nice height. Yeah, I don't know. Discuss. See what you think. See ya.